Hi everyone, my name is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, and in this video I want to talk about this premium cleaning spray by Lelo. So it's a sex toy cleaner, and it says right up front, alcohol free and paraben free. The one that I'm holding is 60 ml, and let me read the instructions. It says you spray the item, ensuring that the whole surface is covered. You leave on for 5 seconds, and then you rinse with water. You pat dry with lint free cloth. You don't want the bits stuck onto the toy or towel, and it's suitable for use with silicone, rubber, and latex toys. Avoid contact with eyes and do not swallow. So what it does is a spray. It looks like a perfume bottle, so it's really discreet. Your kids will not know. And the ingredients itself, I can't really pronounce all of them, but the first ingredient, the main one, is water, and then glycerin is the third ingredient. Sodium C14 to 16 is the fourth ingredient. I don't really recognize any of these other ingredients, but what you can do is you can do research on each of them, and I'm going to list down all the ingredients so that you can do your own research, and also in the video link below. So what I like to do now is I like to share the product page of this product. So I'm at the honey.sg website. So Honey and Pink Lifestyle are brother sister companies, and they are actually also where I work at. They are resident sexologists, and I love working with them because they're really nice people and they're really passionate about what they do. So it says here 100% ensures 100% hygiene, alcohol, silicone free, skin free sex toy. And here it says fast acting and convenient, easy on spray with 5-second efficacy, body safe and pH balanced formula, tuned with natural cycles, suitable with all Lelo products, proven antimicrobial and disinfecting power, antiviral and antifungal ingredients, non-irritating for sensitive skin types, supplemented with additional zinc salts. So these are the ingredients here, as you can see on screen. I can't pronounce every single one of them, but these are the ingredients. So look and see for yourself how you feel about these products, because I'm not a chemist or whatever. It's really quite challenging to know what exactly is safe. A lot of times I would just say you can wash your toy with water and soap, but even the soap that you use, you have to be very particular about it because some of them can be very harsh. So you don't need to get a toy cleaner, but this I feel is gives you a lot of ease of mind. You can spray it over the toy, leave it for 5 seconds, then you wash it off, and then you can just use water. So it helps to remove all the other bodily fluids that might still be on the toy. Another way around this is to put a condom over your toy. I often do that, but there are some toys that maybe it's not suitable, appropriate for the condom to fit in the toy. This is where the toy cleaners can be something that you can consider. So this is the first time I'm actually talking about toy cleaner because I'm not quite sure too much about them, but I did want to introduce this particular one since I had it. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe so that you can have access to all my other videos. This is Martha from Eros Coaching.